pre.
Good day, Batang 641. I'm gonna show you what's inside here in Ballistic Laboratory Room. We're most excited to try this laboratory. I'm excited to use this forensic laboratory techniques to analyze evidence will solidify my understanding of crime scene and scene investigation. These are the different caliber. What skills do you expect to gain from this lab? I expect to improve my skills in fingerprint analysis, DNA, extraction, and crime scene photography.